Hello friends, Jai Swaminarayan. This is our third video lecture. Last two video lecture we have already discussed about one function and on-to function, many one function. Now today in this video lecture we discuss on-to function also, and another example one, many one, and on-to function. Okay, now we start here. First we discuss third function, on-to function. Look here, example. F is the function from n to e. Fx equal to 2x, and here same question, f is the function from n to n, here n to e, here n to n, function same, fx equal to 2x, right? Okay, now we here put the value x in domain. Now x equal to 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash. Now put 1, 2 1s are 2, put x equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, put x equal to 3, 2 3s are 6, dash, 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 right? Here our RF, range of f, this is your range. Range is 2, 4, 6, dash, dash, dash. Right? Exactly same here. Now our question is, our range is 2, 4, 6, dash, dash, dash. And here codomain, domain is n, and codomain is e, e for the even number. Even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, dash, dash. So look here, range and codomain. Range and codomain are same. Look carefully. Right? So if range and codomain are same, range and codomain are same, therefore function is onto. Clear? This is your condition for onto function. If range and codomain are same, then the function is called onto function. Right? Here range of f, same calculation. Here range of f is this one, but here codomain is n. N is the natural number. 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash. So here RF, that is range, this is one, and codomain are not same, otherwise not equal, right? Here n is the codomain, otherwise subdomain, anyone you can write it. So range of f and codomain are not same, right? Therefore not onto function. Clear? Any doubt? So first method, we have already discussed one, many one function in two method, and here also onto function two method possible. This is your first method. If the function's range RF and codomain are same, the function is onto. If the function of the range RF and codomain are not equal, so not onto function. Clear? Now method number 2. Here also method number 2. This is the most important method, because this method we use the inverse function. Next we discuss. So second method, look here, most important condition. there exists, this is your symbol, mathematical reasoning in 11th science. There exists y belongs to E. E is the codomain, right? In 11th science, we have already discussed about this one. This is your X and this is your image, right? Image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 6, and reverse, it is called pre-image. Pre-image of 2 is 1, pre-image of 4 is 2, pre-image of 6 is 3, right? Same here. We take the value in a codomain. There exists y belongs to E, that is codomain, such that fx equal to y. This is your given condition in onto function. Second method, right? Same here. There exists y belongs to n, codomain, such that fx equal to y. Now fx is what? 2x. Put here 2x equal to y. Here y is the even number. So x equal to y upon 2. Check here. If we take y belongs to E, so if we take y equal to suppose even number, positive even number. Y put here y equal to 2. 2 divided by 2. Answer is 1. Put here 4. 4 divided by 2. 2. Put here 6. 6 divided by 2. 3. Put here 8. 8 divided by 2. 4. Dash, dash, dash. This is your natural number and this is your domain. Right? So here answer of x always belongs to domain. X equal to y by 2, answer belongs to domain. Answer must be domain belongs to. So x belongs to n. Therefore, onto function. Right? Second method. Repeat here. Fx equal to y, fx is 2x, 2x equal to y, x equal to y by 2. 2x equal to y. So x equal to y by 2. Here y belongs to n. N is the natural number. Put here 1. 1 divided by 2. Not possible. Not natural number. Because our domain is natural number. Right? Here x is the belongs to domain. Okay. So 1 by 2 does not belongs to n. 2 by 2 1 belongs to n. 3 by 2 does not belongs to n. If we take here even number, so belongs to x belongs to n. But we take here odd number, so x does not belongs to n. Right? So every time x equal to y by 2 does not belongs to n domain of n. So here this one is not onto function. Is that clear? This is your method number 1 and this is your method number 2. Method number 2 is most important method. Then next video lecture we discuss inverse function. Clear? Okay. Now let's have another example. Here given 4 example. First one 1 1 and onto. Second one 1 1 but not onto. Third one not 1 1 but onto. And fourth one not 1 1 and also not onto. Right? We explain here. First one 1 1 and onto. F is the function from n to e. Fx equal to 2x. Right? 1 1 function. 1 1. Method number 1. In total 2 method. First method Put the value x here. F1, 2 ones are 2, n is the domain. F2, 4, F3, 6. Dash, dash, dash. Right? Different value, different answer. So we write the statement here. Every x1, x2 belongs to n domain. x1 is not equal to x2 imply fx1 is also not equal to fx2. Right? Therefore, 1, 1 function. Is that clear? Method number 1. Now, method number 2. Converse statement. There exists. Otherwise, every x1, x2 belongs to domain fx1 equal to fx2. Right? fx1 equal to 2x1. Here, we have already discussed this one, this sum, last video lecture. And equal to 2x2. 2 cancel. Therefore, x1 equal to x2. Right? This is your 1, 1 function. Second method. Right? So this function fx equal to 2x is 1, 1. 1, 1 and on 2. On 2 function we have already discussed in it before 5 minutes. Right? So this function is 1, 1 and on 2. First example. Right? Now second. 1, 1 but not on 2. So this calculation here change n to n. So same calculation for 1, 1 function because we have already proved here 1, 1. Same one here 1, 1. Right? So this calculation are same but not on 2. We have already discussed here not on 2 function before 5 minutes. So n to n. Right? Clear? So if the function f n to n, this function is 1, 1 but not on 2. If the function n to e 1, 1 and on 2 also. Concept is clear. Okay? Now this one. We have already discussed all the sums but different method, different types. So here combine this method, right? Now third one, f r to z fx equal to square bracket x. In last video lecture we have already discussed this sum. F r to z fx equal to square bracket x. First we discuss 1, 1. 1, 1 function. Put here value x of domain R. Suppose we take root 2. Root 2 that is approximately 1.41. 1.41 in between 1 and 2. So answer is 1. Suppose we take 1.70 root 3. Root 3 approximately 1.73. So here answer is always 1. So different value but answer same. Right? So this function is not 1, 1. So condition is x1 here dash x1 x2 belongs to R. x1 and x2 are different but fx1 and fx2 are equal. x1 and x2 are different but fx1 and fx2 are equal. Right? So not 1, 1 function. Otherwise you can write also many 1 function. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now here this is your range. This is your range. So our answer is here only and only integer. If we take here positive, so answer is positive integer. If we take here 0, answer will be 0. If we take here negative number, so answer will be negative integer. So our range is, that is RF is always integer. Always integer, that is Z. That means that, give an example. Suppose we take f root 2, answer is 1. Suppose we take f minus root 2. So minus 1 and minus 2 in between this number. So answer is minus 2, negative integer. If we take here 0, so we put here 0. So 0, answer is 0. If we take here integer, answer always integer. Right? So answer, our range is always integer. That means range and codomain are same. Therefore, this is your onto function. Here, different value, answer same. So not 1 1, otherwise many one function. But here range and codomain are same. Therefore, onto function. So third example, not 1 1, but onto. Clear? Now fourth example, not 1 1 and not onto function. Okay, chalo fourth one, f z to z, fx equal to x square. This sum already discussed first video lecture, right? Again repeat. Now method number 1, put value here, 0, answer 0, 1, answer 1, minus 1, but answer 1. Again different value, but answer same. So condition, every x1, x2 belongs to Z. Domain of A. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 is equal to fx2. Right? So not 1 1 function, otherwise you can say many one function. Second method, 1 1 function. Second method, every x1, x2 belongs to Z, domain of A. Convert statement, fx1 equal to fx2, fx1 equal to x1 square, fx2 equal to x2 square. Now we take square root in both the sides. So 4 possibility, because here domain is Z, right? So we take 4 option, x1 equal to x2, x1 equal to minus x2, minus x1 equal to x2, and minus x1 equal to minus x2. Is that clear? So this function is not 1 1 function because 4 answer, right? So this fx equal to x is not 1 1, that is many one function. Now not onto, we discussed first method. Here, look here again, range. This is your range, right? In a range, we have given only square number, square that is positive number. If we take here any number, any type of number, positive, negative, anyone, because of Z, but answer is only positive number. So here RF and codomain, this is your codomain, are not same, right? So not onto function, not onto function. Second method, method number 2, condition, there exists y belongs to Z, codomain. There exists y belongs to Z, codomain, such that fx equal to y. Fx is here x square. Put here x square equal to y. Here y belongs to Z. Z, that is 0, positive, negative, anyone. X square equal to y. So x equal to root y. Suppose we take here y equal to 0. Okay, no problem. because square root of 0 is 0. Yeah, this one say belongs to domain. X must be belongs to Z. If X does not belongs to Z, then we write here not 1, 2 function. Different values again. If it here Y belongs to Z, if we take 1, square root of 1 is 1. If we take here minus 1, negative number, minus 1, square root of minus 1, not possible. Some student are saying, sir, negative square root of negative number is possible in 11th science, complex number. But we here discuss not complex number, real number. Right? Here, domain is our Z. Okay? So, x equal to root y. Minus 1 does not belongs to domain. If we take here 2, the square root of 2 also not belongs to Z. So here x equal to root y does not belongs to Z, domain of F. Therefore, not onto function. Second method is clear. Here y belongs to Z. So we take here positive, negative and 0. Here if we take 1, square root of 1 possible, 0, square root of 0 possible, but here 2, square root of 2 not possible because not belongs to domain. Negative number is also not possible belongs to Z because minus, we take suppose minus 10, so minus square root of minus 10 is not possible, right? Not belongs to Z. Clear? Do you understand?